We're going to do the experiments of heating curve. So let's check the material that we have of the heating curve. We have a glass beaker with the crushed ice. We have a tripod. We have a thermometer. We have a heat source. We have a wire goose. This one is a wire goose. And let's stopwatch. We said our stopwatch, we're going to use the one that is on a smartboard. We're going to use this watch. And the safety precaution was saying that an open flames create the risk of clothing or other object catching alight. Some material used in the science experiment are flammable, creating additional risk. By taking a safety precaution, you minimize those risks. Okay, I want us to go to the next page and see how we're supposed to carry out this experiment. So on page 2, there are the methods that we need to set up our experiments again. So therefore, the first step says half fill a glass beaker with the crushed ice. We know very well that even if the glass beaker is full like this, once it melts, the glass won't be full again. So we just fill it, but we know that it's going to melt and be at a half. So now, measure the temperature with the thermometer and note it in a table. The table that we're referring to is this one. Right? So now, place the beaker on a goose wire on a tripod stand. Gently heat the beaker using a Bunsen bed. We have a fire source or a heat source. We don't have a Bunsen bed. So I just want to switch it on with the lighter. Then this one is a wire goose. Then we place our glass beaker with the crushed ice, and this is our thermometer. And okay, check out our thermometer read up to -20, up to 100 degrees Celsius. So therefore, I'm going to place it inside. So we're going to use it. We're going to use this retort stand to hold our thermometer for us. So our thermometer is not supposed to touch the ground or the bottom of the glass beaker, because the temp is going to end up reading the temperature of the fire instead the temperature of the ice. So once we set up like this, we're going to read our time every 2 minutes. According to our time, it's 12:29. So that means we must take the first temperature so that we can compare it with the next temperature. So according to the thermometer, according to our thermometer, who can read the temperature for us?
Anyone, you can come and read it for us.
Zero. At 0 time, when we started, we said our temperature is 0. Then when I went on 0, the time is 0 again. The temperature is also 0 degrees Celsius. So we're going to check again when the time is 31. We're going to check it again. because we just everything okay. Now stage 1. Let's check the temperature again. Give me temperature. It's yeah, because this is 0. Yeah,
It's 0 point something.
yeah, it's 0 point something. Yeah, for the sake of an argument, I'm only 0. But now we're going to do what? I'm going to say, okay, in 2 minutes, I want 2 here. Then in 2 minutes, the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. Then we're going to measure again when it says 30. 33, yeah. We're going to measure again when it says 33. So, according to the step 1.0, who can tell us why the temperature is at 0 but the particles is melting? Yes? Yes, yes. All the particles need to melt before the temperature can increase. You remember our graph at some point, even so. The temperature shall remain constant, and that means our next temperature we're going to take at what time? 25. You can see now that almost everything is melted. Therefore, once everything is melted, that is when the temperature will start increasing. So our graph usually will look like this. So where we're saying that this is a melting point and this is a boiling point. 35. So now we're going to measure. What is the temperature?
10.
Yeah, it's 10. Yeah, it's 10. So what I'm going to say 6. Then the temperature is 10 degrees. Then our next temperature we're going to measure at what time? 8. Oh, we're measuring like a 5. I know we said we measure temperature every 2 minutes. That's 37. So we can just continue to stay. Yeah, it's 30. 30. So what we're going to say 8. We're going to say 8. Then 50. I want. Then our next temperature will measure at what time? 39. Moving fast.
Yeah, alam mo yung sugo.
And it's 14. And temperature? 40? 59. No, she on. It's almost 45. Around our time is what? It's 16. The temperature is 72. Yes. Around our next temperature is going to be measured at what time? 47. Okay, 47. It's 20. 20. What is the temperature? What is there?
93.
Yeah, 90. 94. Our next measurement is going to be at what time? 51. Yeah, correct. Our water is boiling. It's boiling. And you realize that it's not boiling at